stop before you pay for Office. Or worse, download some cracked version from shady website. Let me show you 5 free and 100% legal way to use Microsoft Office in 2026 right now. And let's start with the simplest method first, which is Office Online. Office Online is free forever. All you need to do is you need to open your browser and need to visit the following URL, which is microsoft365.com. And then here, if you are doing this for the first time, you can create your account or simply sign in. And I am assuming most of us already should have account because we are using Windows now, and then Windows have kind of mandate to have online account. And there you go. Once you sign in here, you're gonna see Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and other apps available for absolutely free. You can simply click on any of these apps to open, for example, Microsoft Word, which I clicked on it, and then here you can create a new document and start editing it. If you want to get even more offline-like feel, simply press F11, or in some cases you need to press Function plus F11 in your keyboard and you will see everything in full screen. Now unless I tell you that this is online variant, nobody going to believe it. And lot many people also think that why one will ever try to go with this online version. To counter this, I'm gonna give you 2 solid reasons apart from free why one should choose this online version. First of all, you're gonna get even more features than any perpetual version like Office 2021, Office 2026 and all. Second reason is whenever you edit any document, and let's say if there is a power outage or you lost internet connection, you do not need to worry about, because everything will get saved automatically. And you can change device, you can start working on your document, let's say in computer, and you continue to edit it while you are on go and open and presented it using your laptop from another location. So you're gonna get maximum features, do not need to worry about power outage, for autosave and flexibility of freedom to edit, open it from anywhere because everything rests in cloud. Now let's talk about method number 2, which is free forever Office, even the offline variant, but this particular one is applicable for students as well as teachers. In this case, all you need to do is you need to visit the following link, which again I'm gonna provide you in the description of this video. And here you can simply get started Microsoft Office for free if you are a student. Now click here on get started, and here you need to enter your university ID and then need to follow the steps. And using this method, you're gonna get full Microsoft Office version that you can install it on up to 5 different devices. And this remains free as long as you are enrolled in your institution. So I would say this is really a great Office tool for students as well as teachers, because what they are getting free is generally a paid plan. For whom one need to pay about $100 to $150 per year. Alright, now I'm going to talk about method number 3, which is free Office mobile app. In case of Office mobile apps, Microsoft offer Word, Excel and PowerPoint as completely free app for your phone and tablet. All you need to do, for example, if you have an Android phone, you can simply open Play Store and then here you can look for Microsoft Word. So let me quickly type here Microsoft Word. Now here you can see, here it is, and you can simply click on install, and then from there you can select your device. You not only can install it in your phone but also in tab, plus as well as, let's say, if you are running emulator in your Windows device. Now I'm going to talk about method number 4, which is not completely free, but if you see the value that you are getting is really immense. I'm talking none other than Microsoft 365 family, which is really a great way to save cost. Because if, let's say, you're gonna choose this particular plan, you will see the cost is really low. And let me quickly show you how much it is. So it is $129 per year. And let's say if I see the price in Indian rupees, it is only 5,739. And since you're gonna get 6 license under family, so you will realize that the single license cost less than 1000 rupees per year. And not only you're gonna get Microsoft Office, but I would say one of biggest advantage is you're gonna get 6 terabyte of cloud storage, which is 1 terabyte per person. So that's immense value, I would say, for the price you pay. In case of US, it is $90. Again, in order to calculate how much you're gonna pay per person, you can simply divide it by 6, and then you're gonna see that it is just $15.17 per user per year. So stop buying Office from shady websites. Directly go to Microsoft Office and buy it from trusted platform. Now let's talk about method number 5, which is best free Office alternatives. So if let's say you do not fall in any category that we discussed before and you want absolute offline variant, then you can also try some of Office alternative. And they are not just like that tool, they offer almost similar Office capability. And in our list, the first one is LibreOffice.org. LibreOffice is completely free, open source, and work offline not only in Windows but also in Mac and Linux. LibreOffice include writers for document, Calci for spreadsheet, and Impress for presentation. It can open and save Microsoft Office files like DOCX, XLSX, and PPTX without any problem. And if you do not want to go for offline variant and want something online, then I would say Google Docs is #1 alternative. In some cases, even exceed the capability of Microsoft Office. And the reason why I am saying this is excellent real-time collaboration capability of Google Docs. And of course, because this product belongs to Google, you're gonna see the interface would be different than Microsoft Office. Google have got its own identity, and you're gonna see that also in terms of interface. You're gonna see a very different type of interface, which again I would say is not that challenging and should have a very quick learning curve. It also comes with Docs, Sheets, and Slide, which are alternative of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Alright, now I'm gonna talk about one more Office alternative, which is gonna give you closest feel of Microsoft Office, which is WPS Office. It is free but with ads and work perfectly on your Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. And this particular variant resembles so much. If you are used to Microsoft Office and do not want to learn something new, simply go with WPS Office, where you will see minimal difference when compared to Microsoft Office. So here's the final comparison, and let me make it simple for you. If you are a student or a teacher, simply go with method number 2. No question, you're gonna get a full desktop app, 1 terabyte of storage, and this is completely free as long as you are enrolled in institution. And of course, you should use your Office email to get started. If you just need to write a document, want to make a quick spreadsheet, method number 1, which is Office Online, should be a way to go. It's free, comes with all latest feature, which even perpetual version like Office 2021, 2024 even cannot offer. If you want full Office experience, find 5 people in your home and go with family plan. That is less than 100 rupees per month for the complete Office package. And really, if you even consider a single component, which is 1 terabyte of cloud storage, that option itself exceed the value that you are getting. And if you do not care about Microsoft specifically, method number 5, which is Office alternatives, is a way to go. So that's it, 5 completely free and legal way to get Microsoft Office in 2026. No crack, no scam, no risk, because we are not buying anything from any shady sites. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Technoholic for more such Microsoft Office and Windows tutorial every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.